Hi friends, welcome to my channel Learn More, No More. Today I am just introducing an new application. Is nothing but Headway. Especially a small note for you guys. This video will be entirely in English. Okay, if you are not comfortable with my language or English, you can go to my another video which is in Telugu. Okay, one of our subscribers just requested me that. Do video in Telugu. I mean, sorry. He wants in English about this app, so I'm continuing this video in English. Okay, friends. It is in Headway. It is totally about only books. Who loves to read the books and different type of articles and different type of what it is matter, or it may be different type of categories. Here is only for books. Who are interested or who are loving to read the books means they can use this app. And once check the description, I will get you I will provide you a link, application link. Okay, here is the application. It is first of all, it is not a free application. Okay, and major point is I am just using now 7 days trial period version. Okay, see, I'm showing in the one by one application. I mean, one by one options in this. First of all, once check that lower end of the application, which is shown in the blue color. That is, we are in its discovery option. Just while go through every day, it will give some new books or something day wise instructions, or related to the day specialities. It will give. Okay, here is the application. It is overall consisting of different type of books. And see, if you buy this pay if you pay the amount means, then only the lock will get unlocked. Okay, for every book, if you like this, the habits of high effective people, just click on that one, and just it will open like this. Okay, see, it is asking me, see, start free trial period. Just it is a free trial period. Okay, if you pay means, the book will entirely until it will show. Okay, and at the right side, top and right side, there is showing three options. One is about this one, first option, which you can share to your friends, or it may be anything your co-employees, or maybe. And second one is download option. Third one is save. I mean, it is just like a bookmark. Just you want to read this one means, just click on that one. It will show us a blue icon. Then go back, and come to the lower end. See, there is application, right? See, I'm clicking this one. See, already I added three books. Recently I added this one, right? If you want to download this book, just you can click on this download button. Then it will be go on. Okay, it is not for trial version. In the trial version, we are not unable to download the file. Just read about the book, and if you are interested, then only you can buy your book. Okay, and this is the second option. Middle one is nothing but an daily. It will change daily, day by day it will change. I mean, what that is, depending on the day, or depending upon the season, it will show some relevant books and different type of books daily. Okay, it is not, I'm mentioning that it is not a free version, it is a paid version. Okay, and this is the word. It is nothing but a translator. Words was translation. Did you want any translation to another languages or something? You can use this one, and it is your account. I mean, what that is, your information will be provided here. Okay, and first of all, you should have to log in this one, and first complete your information, what they are asked and what is the information they needed. You have to fill that first. Okay, and this is overall a oral books, and he so once check here, it is having so many collections, notification classics to success in life and work. It is commander in different types of what that is different types of categories, right? We cannot particularly mention this one is this category or that one is that category. We cannot mention that, right? And see, this is showing some categories, right? Self growth, probability, and happiness, business, career, movement, and leadership, like that. So many are mentioning here. Family and entertainment, and whatever you want. You need society or tech news, then go just click on that one. It will show only related to the technology, and I mean tech means, and which is related to the chemist or something physics, or related to some what else. See, only these type of will be present in this. If you want only particular section, so I am moving on to the money and investments. It will show only about stock investment for dimmings, the science of getting rich. Okay, this type of books, money and investment is nothing related to that type of new releases. It will show all the new releases which was recently released. You can get through it once if you buy this one, then you can get full access to the any type of versions. Okay, once check the amount, and I will give the one link which you can buy. You can earn, you can get Google Pay, I mean sorry, you can okay, 1 minute, I will show you how to start the feed. Not this one. I will give you a link on that one. You can money, you can earn money from the Google, I mean Play Store. You can buy that using that money. You can buy Google Play services, Google Play books or related this kind of apps. You can buy that type of apps by using that money. And there is a small reviews. It's called I will give one link. Okay, in the description link, as in I will mention there. Okay, I will mention there. You can earn money, and you can buy applications, or you can do anything, except you cannot use that money for withdrawals. Okay, only for Google Play. Okay, friends, thanks for watching. If you like the video, just give me a like and share to your friends and give me a comment. Thank you, friends.